It hurts my heart to hear about something um, involving someone else's child, even if the child is a teenager. Just by me hearing some very hurtful news about a very beautiful teenage girl that disappeared, and basically she didn't make it. She was found, but she didn't make it. And the last thing she told her dad was that she loved him before she disappeared and before her body was found. And it just, as a parent, it's very hurtful to hear stuff like this. And this is why it's so important for us parents to make sure that we are actively showing our children how much we love them, how much we care about them, and to give them as much of our time and affection as much as possible. Not saying that taking care of them financially is not important, because it is, but at the same time, it's the things that money can't buy that our children need the most, that'll make them feel secure on the inside, and it'll decrease the chances of our children looking for things such as love and affection and attention outside of the home from a lot of spiritually broken people